So I'm going to replace my fuel line here. As you can see, I cut it with my front end nips right there, so I could get so it goes down in the hole there easier. Let's see. Yep. Now I just gotta thread it through, put on my filter. If I had like a pair of forceps, I could just go in there and grab it, or some type of grabby contraption. Unfortunately, I don't. So I'm just gonna try to guide it with my rasp. All I gotta do is angle it so it slides up, and it's coming to me right now. So that'll ride that wall just fine. Let's keep on pushing. And here it comes, till I can get it to where I can grab it with my pliers. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna snip it again so it's flat. So now I can put on my fuel filter. I'm just gonna take this and reposition it down this part of the tank. I have to pull it up actually. There it goes. Kind of hard to get a shot of this, but see my fuel line. I'll just cut it right here, slightly above. Perfect. This is for my primer bulb. I guess it's not working as good as the other one did. Come on. There it goes. Finally. Got it resting up there for what my length needs to be. Done deal. So I kind of rushed right into me putting back together the motor in a time lapse, but I wanted to just, this is probably overdone, I'm sure you got the idea by now, but so those are my two lines. The first one was the first one I did, and that goes to the carb. The second one is a primer, which goes to the primer bulb. Snakes around. Can't really see these two. See that little, these two jutting down? Let's see if I can focus it. Yep, see. That one's to the primer bulb, and the lower one's to the carburetor. So you gotta remember to hook those up right.